Hello, and today I will show how to create a shop device like that. So we have different weapons. We can buy it by currency like that. So in our case, this is our device. We have in this case our bank device, what I showed in previous video. In this case, it uses character device for interaction, basically with who, yeah, how I will say activator for our UI, so we can show it, and item granter for giving weapon to our player. Here we save our weapon icons. The things why we use like that, because it will be much easier to work with array of buttons and like that. And to get access to some assets in UEFN, you need to create your, I'll say, uh, like file with access to some your other folders. In case when you add something, it's created here, and the issue is that here it's not always like public or like that. Assets can be not will be public, and in this case you need to create like this folder and sets that name of this folder and set its public. In this case it's different folders, it stops to public, so we can get access to these assets. So in this case we write these weapon icons. In our case, we use the same device for two different type of weapons. For this case, we just set up a logic variable to understand which texture pack we need to take. And here we write row lengths. Basically, it's needed for write how many weapons we can add to our like inventory. In this case, it's very important because here we use overlay, and if we set up, for example, to we add one more to row length, in this case, this image will not fit to our screen. Price, it's editable, so we can easy change price for our weapons. It's in this case it's used fixed price for all weapons. We have button map, player and button map. It's needed because we need to understand which weapon we selected. I will show further. And basically widget for our player, what we created. And one player is trying to open our, we'll say, shop. Uh, we subscribe it and we get like UI. We try to get, if we don't have UI, didn't create yet, so it's first interaction with our shop. It's create our UI and add it to UI, add to player screen. Otherwise, it's just get this UI and add to player screen. This is our function to generate our shop UI. Like I said, it shows here. And here we define money text. This is our basically this text what we needed, and money slot. Again, these are things. Uh, this is what I showed before about currency and like that. This is our exit button. Again, I will show it in future what this exit function do. And we have a vertical frame, blah blah, and here we get basically a stack. Here we have vertical frame. This is our basically our UI where we will add every our weapon. And here depends from our texture pack. Again, we use this boolean is exotic. So we take depends from that we take our texture pack. And by going from through this texture pack, we add our gun card, basically generate another part of our UI. This generation of our uh, gun part of widget. So here we get stack box with our card item. This is it's mean our icon and buy button. It's pretty simple. Here our buy gun, and in case when we buy, we just remove our money. Again, in case if we cannot buy gun, we don't have enough money, we just disable our button. That's why it's like almost invisible, because it's disabled and it's like white. In case when it's enabled, it looks like this button. Again, we check if we have enough money. If we have, then it's all of this. We go through all these buttons and enable them because in case, just in case, maybe something changes there like that. About exit, it's pretty simple. It's a global function, and here we just get our player UI. From info player we get root widget, and we just remove widget from our UI. So in this case we just basically remove our input mode, so we can start again moving and like that. So it's pretty simple, and I will add this code to my repository on GitHub. Hope you like it and it will help you.